Hi, thanks for tuning in. I'm Mike Quebec, and today's video is how to get a complete total body workout with just a medicine ball. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with our warm-up. I'm going to do a slightly intense version. Less intense is to not hold the squat, but I'm going to go ahead and hold the squat, have the ball right in front of me and right over my head for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's switch it over. Remember to always keep your back straight. And we always breathe and never hold our breath. This is 2, 3, we're going to go to 10, 4, we circle completely around the head and in front of the face, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we come on up, take a few deep breaths in. I'm going to go ahead and hit that squat again. Remember, if your knees are hurting or you don't feel you can hold the squat, that's fine. You can just build up to that later on, or you can decide just not to do the squat. That's okay. I want to keep my elbows right in front of me. I want to keep my back straight, and I'm just going to warm up my triceps. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, take some deep breaths in. Go ahead and hit the squat again, this time having the ball right in front of my chest. Elbows out, pressing in and squeezing the ball. Well, I hit that squat and I roll forward for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, we reverse that. Very important when doing this warm-up to keep the back as straight as you can. So I don't want to lean forward like this. That's bad for my back. Actually, I felt that. Keeping the back straight. Kind of lost count there. I think this is 7, 9, 10. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to have my feet together and the ball right at my chest. I'm going to step straight out to one side, and as I do that, the leg that I'm stepping out with bends at the knee. The other leg is straight, and I fully extend out the ball, but I want to make sure that I keep my back straight. I return to center, and I'm going to stay right in frame, and then do the other side. Again, stepping leg is bent at the knee, other leg is straight at the knee, full extension out. Okay, let's go ahead and do 10 of those together. Take a deep breath in and breathe out for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, our final exercise for this video is going to be for our abs again, and it's a little more intense. So it's going to involve having your feet off the floor with your legs extended. How high you have your feet off the floor will depend on how intense you want it for your abs, and it'll also depend, safety factor, on what your back can handle, okay? So, let me show it to you. You're going to lie down on the floor, on your mat I should say, chin to your chest, stomach held tight, ball right over the chest, and you're going to have your legs extended straight with your toes pointing. Now, if I have the feet lower off the ground, that's more intense for my abs. But if you've got a bad back, I wouldn't recommend this. Higher is safer for your back, but it's also less intense for your abs. So you're going to have to play around and decide what works for you as an individual. I'm going to hold this right here, and this is my starting position. I always want to return to this for my feet. As for my upper body, I'm going to bring the opposing shoulder in the direction of the opposing knee. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring the shoulder down and fully extend the legs again. And then go to the opposite side. So this is basically the motion. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. 10. Take a deep breath in and breathe out for 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. And that does it for today's workout.